Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and once again, I have Happy Mail. This is from Australia, from Always Dolls. You will love their channel. If you like American Girls, or crafts, or dolls, or stop motion, or just having a good time for a few minutes while you watch a video, we will leave a link below. It's a mother-daughter team, and they do all kinds of stuff. Their crafting abilities and the handmade items that they make are far and above most people's. They are some of the top crafters on the whole of YouTube. It's incredible. They always have such upbeat instructions as they're going along, and they built the Volkswagen for the 18-inch American Girl dolls. It is incredible. So let's see what they sent me. I know it's not the Volkswagen. This is exciting, exciting, exciting. Thank you very much. I know it cost a fortune to send this to the U.S., but I really do appreciate it. All right, I'm trying to be very careful. I do not know I kind of know what's in here. I do know, I'm almost positive. Let's just get it open. Oh, very cool. Oh, this is so fun. I always say it's like Christmas. Every time a Happy Mail comes, I just love it. Again, I'm being careful here because, you know, you don't know what's in them and you don't want to cut something or break something. Oh, look at this. Marna and Darren. And they sent a little flag. How cute would that be for my girls, my American girls? Let's see what the note says. Hi, Marna and Darren. Good day from Australia. Just a quick note to thank you both for the wonderful 3D printed tea set and the hidden giveaway prize. Sorry it's taken so long to get this package to you. So long? I'm thrilled. We hope it arrives intact as it's been on a long journey. Inside, we sent some handmade doll food items and for different occasions, and some Aussie themed pieces to celebrate AG's GOTY 2021 Kyra Bailey. Oh, how cute is that? The mini Vegemite, Neutralia, and Tim Tams came from the Kohl's Shop promotion we had last year and are too cute. Just perfect for the 18-inch dolls. We hope you have a great year and look forward to watching all of the videos you post. Thank you for making and sharing your fabulous crafts, doll purchases, and reviews. Your friends, Always Dolls. This is exciting. I opened this up and I wanted to bring it around for a close-up. Here's the Tim Tams and Nutella and Vegemites. Here is the cutest little koala bear. Oh my goodness. Is this adorable? And perfect for my 18-inch dolls. This, I'm betting, oh yeah, they made these. I know it's hard to believe, but they make, you have to see it. It is incredible, the things that they put together. How cute are these? Vegemite. B vitamins. That is so cute. Yes, I know what Vegemite is. No, I have never had it. Oh, they sent the Cura book. Oh, how cute. Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh, I bet they made these. This is incredible. That is their crafting abilities. You look at this stuff and you wonder, could they have made that? But when you watch her do this, it's incredible. Look here. Here is a couple of cakes for Halloween. Yes, she made these. She has videos showing her making these, and she's got this cheery voice, and she's just fun. Aren't those adorable? Oh my goodness. Look at these cake pieces. Oh my, look at that. Tell me that is not realistic looking. Look at these. Oh my goodness. They are incredible. You have to go and watch. Oh, I'm not even unwrapped. She's got that wrapped like you'd get a Hostess cake. Look at the edges. I don't know if you can see that on camera. They're layered. Layered, layered. Unreal. Look at these look like the kind of pasties that my grandmother made. I don't even know too many people that make these for real anymore. You have to go to a bakery, and good luck finding them there. Oh, these are so beautiful. So, look at this, the fluting. Oh, just gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, some more Halloween. These are like the large cookies that you buy. Oh, look at the sides. Looks like a baked cookie. She does work with clays and foam and, well, you just have to see it. Just drop down in my links. Take a look at her. I just want to make sure I got it all out. Not that, oh my, this is gorgeous. Once again, this is the kind of stuff that, well, your great-grandmother would make on the holidays. Look at these cherry pies. Oh, or strawberry. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Look at these. Oh, my goodness. Oh, look at those. Set those like that. These just, seriously, my mouth is watering, and they're they're fake doll foods, and my mouth is watering. Look at that. Oh my God, that is so cute. Unbelievable. Thank you. Thank you. I can't tell you how thrilled I am. These are really going to be fun for my 18-inch dolls. Thank you so much for these fantastic handcrafted items. I really appreciate it. So go over to the Always Dolls channel. When you watch your videos, leave a like and subscribe there as well as here. Please leave a comment below to the Dolls Rescue channel.